Life is not a matter of milestones, but of moments. We are born to be happy. We are born.
Conditioning or HVAC systems, water treatment system, air compressor system and other utilities. The plant is dedicated to manufacture wide range of solid oral formulations. The mezzanine floor is entirely dedicated for housing the services including air handling units and dust extraction systems. The quality of water collected in storage tank after final treatment complies with the European and United States pharmaceutical requirements. Production facility is designed in areas, octagonal and conta blenders, compression machines, single rotary, double rotary and multi-layered compression station machines, automatic coating pans, suitable for sugar coating, firm coating and enteric coating, automatic capsules filling machines, powder and pellets filling capability, automatic tablets and capsules inspection machine, integrated packing lines consisting of blister packing, auto coordinators, leaflet folding machine with track and trace system.
To be loved. We are born to be friends. We are born to be good. We are born to be healthy. Live every moment of life. We are one of the leading healthcare solution companies, aiming to be #1. We believe in continuous innovation, research and development. Our mission is to explore better life. Welcome to the world of healthcare innovations.